Jai Swaminarayan, sir.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir.
Good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir.
Okay. Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning. Yes. So I will wait for some time. Because I need to admit the children. What is the given question in the test on the board? Try to write those children, please. Because I need to go for some time admitting.
Yes, sir. Please mute.
Still.
Sir, please, yes.
Yes. Just wait because I'm adjusting. I'm doing one thing here. I doing. Just wait. The screen will be adjusted. No problem. After some time. The image is not clear. Wait.
Sit mute.
Muted on the board and mute.
Why again it's not looking correctly? Any problem? Okay, so nicely here it is not looking nice. Can you see the images properly?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Not clear. I'm blurry it is funny, sir.
Yes. I too observe the same thing.
Sir, once
Don't
off
know
camera.
what is the reason. Huh?
Sir, once off your
Yeah,
video. and
if I
on
do.
once.
Okay, sir, right. Yes. Now it's okay, I
sir.
think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So write down those things, then we will go for the problem. Whether Amarnath sir came.
Sir, down to the triangles you draw, no, sir. First triangle.
First triangle.
Tell the alphabets are not clear.
First triangle is, this is P, Q, R. Inside triangle is A, B, C. Amarnath sir, I am making you as a host.
Sir, you split it into three triangles. That first one alphabet, sir.
This one,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
here is O. This is A. It is P. It is B.
Sir, screen
It
is
is
blurred.
Q. Blood.
Okay,
No,
sir.
no.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Same, sir.
O, A, P. O, B, Q. This triangle you need to write. Then afterwards, this triangle. In this one, you are having three triangles with three parallel lines. That is the thing. I splitted those three triangles separately. O, P, Q. O, P, R. O, Q, R. That is the thing. If completes, we'll go for the solving the problem one by one. Right, children? Now, answer to my question. In the first triangle,
Sir, Samvit is in waiting room.
already I made Amarnath sir as a host, beta.
Okay.
I made Amarnath sir as a host. So now I cannot admit he is the host. So he only admit the children. That's the reason. If I go for admitting and if I move before the screen will not capturing the things. So I made Amarnath sir as a host. Right. Now come to the point. This is a triangle O A B O P Q. Right. Now A B is parallel to PQ. Now BPT. Say the ratio for this triangle. AB parallel to BQ. Say the ratio.
Sir, whole by part or part?
Part by part.
Sir, PA by AO is equals to
PA
by
by AO is equals to
OB
OB by
OB
by
by
BQ.
BQ.
no, it will not say like that.
QB by BO.
No. Okay.
So actually, OA by OB. OB
Yes,
by
that is the correct way to identify. Start from O and say. Start from
OA by
O.
sir.
OA by
OA
AP
by
equal to
OA by
OB by BQ.
AP.
then
OB by BQ.
OB by BQ.
B. Now
When triangle
OA by AB.
AP is equal to
OA by AP
OC by CR.
is equals to OC by CR.
OA by AP is equals to OC by CR.
Yes, sir, from 1 and 4.
Now, yes, very good. Now, which two things are equal now?
Now, OA by AP.
Sir, OA.
Now, which two things I should equate now?
Sir, OB BQ is equal to OC by CR.
Yes, very good. From Euclid's, we have this can also written as transitive law. OP by BQ is equals to OC by CR. Now see the third triangle. OB by BQ. OC by CR.
By
What is the line?
converse of
What is the line dividing the triangle? So if this line is dividing the triangle into two equal ratios, then this line is
parallel to the
yes. Write down that one on that statement. Write down.
by converse
Write down
of
over
BQ.
here. Then I will say the
Sir,
statement.
converse of BQ.
సుమన్ సార్
Huh?
సుమన్ సార్
సార్ చెప్పండి.
నేను అక్షయ్ శ్రీరంగన్ ఒక 10 minutes హోస్ట్ గా పెడుతున్నా సార్.
సరే పెట్టండి.
Sir, by converse of
Yes,
BPT,
yes.
we can
That
write no,
one.
sir.
Yes. By converse of BPT, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, yes, write down up to here, then I will say the statement, please. After completing this, just wait, I will say the statement.
Kritik mute.
I'm in mute.
Please mute for yourself. Don't talk like that. Okay, please don't talk because it is not good to you. Right. Take down the statement. From converse of BPT, from converse of BPT, a line divides from converse of BPT, a line divides other two sides in the same ratio from converse of BPT, a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then, comma, then the line is parallel to third side. Then the line is parallel to third side. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR in triangle OQR. In triangle OQR. From converse of BPT, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR in triangle OQR. Right. So make the problem first of all simple, then solve for the complex. Then you will get one idea what is there to prove. Then you will solve the problem. Don't keep the triangle how he gave. If you keep like that, you won't understand. What is the thing given? Split it. ముక్కలు చేసేసారు. ముక్కలు చేసేస్తే మనకు ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే మీ ముక్కలు కావు. 7th question. Prove that the line through the midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to another side bisects the third side. This is A, B, C. This is D, E. So the thing is, B is midpoint. Second point, D is parallel to BC. Now children, I will ask one question, you say to me. The line segment is AB. I am keeping the point C. I am writing from A to C 2 units and C to B 2 units. Then what I say the point C?
It is a midpoint of AB.
The midpoint of AB.
Very good. Then now what can I say the point C? If A to C is 2 units, C to B is 3 units. Can I say?
C is a point on AB.
Yes, C is the point on AB. That is nothing but A, C, B are collinear. Why I am asking this question is just you need to understand one very concept. Okay, you can do this problem. I won't say anything. Just start the solution here. Yes. Now apply BPT. Apply BPT and write down the ratio.
Part by part.
Yes,
Sir.
part by part only. And say to me, I will write.
Sir, AD by DB is equal to
AD by DB is equal to A by
Area.
EC.
Very good. AE by DB is equals to AE by EB.
Sir,
Now see.
AB is equal to DB.
Very good. Now what is given here? D is a.
Midpoint on AB.
Point.
Point.
Then what is the length of AD and what is the length of DB?
AD is equal to DB.
O2.
Yes, very good.
AD is equal to DB.
E is midpoint. So AD is equals to DB. Then AD by AD is equals to AE by EC. Then what happens to this side?
1.
1.
D transposes to that side. So that,
Yes.
then EC is equal to AE.
AE is equals to EC. Next, the length of AE is equals to the length of EC. Then what I say the point
D
E,
is a midpoint on AC.
write down. Eighth problem is converse of this one.
Is the parallel.
He gave D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. He asked to prove AD is parallel to BC. He asked to prove that. No problem, we will prove that. By applying the converse of BPT. If you complete this one, we will go for that statement also. After completing this, keep the problem number 8, draw same figure. Eighth question, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. That is the thing. Hope it is
Sir, that we
complete.
should prove LHS is equal to RHS, sir, any problem?
LHS is, you need to get the ratios like this. LHS is equals to RHS, ratios. Already he gave the midpoint, so you need to prove the ratios. You will get like
1 is
this.
equal to 1.
Yes, 1 is equals to 1 you will get. Convert that 1 to the ratio. Just wait, I am saying. See here, 1 is equals to what you will get? AE is equals to EC. You will get now. You should write AE by EC is equals to 1. Again, AD is equals to DB. That is nothing but AD by DB is equals to 1. Apply Euclid's property. If two things, different things are equal to same thing, those different things are equal. So AD by DB is equals to AE by EC is equals to 1. Then the ratios are equal. That's it. Okay, we will do no problem. I will explain that. You start doing that.
Sir, somebody joined has A26926.
Okay, no problem. Leave it. maybe teachers, children's, I think. So the question number is 8. He mentioned that D is midpoint and also E is midpoint. Akshay,
Sure, sure.
are you feeling any problem, Ida?
No, sir, no, sir.
Because you are the host, so you need to admit and you need to concentrate. If you are feeling any problem, just say to me. We will change the host to another person for some.
No, sir.
Now I think no one is joining.
Yes, sir, no
You
one
will be
is joining.
afraid. Now D is the midpoint of side AB. E is the midpoint of side AC. Now take down the concept. AD is equals to DB. Can I write like this? AD is equals to DB.
Yes.
Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Midpoint.
Then I will write as AD by DB is equals to 1. Can I write
Yes,
like
sir.
this?
AD by AD is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next? AE is equals to EC. Why I wrote this statement? AE is equals to EC.
E is a midpoint on AC.
E is the midpoint of AC. Then again I will write AE by EC is equals to 1. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the RHS here? What is RHS here?
1, 1,
What is RHS here?
1.
What is the transitive relation? If two different things are equal to same thing, those different things are equal. If A is equals to B, B is equals to C, then A is equals to C. Therefore, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC.
By CPPT.
Which statement I should apply? Now,
Converse of BPT.
converse of BPT. Write down up to here, then we will write the statement and we will conclude.
DE parallel to BC.
Yes. But if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, by converse of BPT, that line is parallel to third side.
Sir, it is blur, sir.
Blood.
No, sir, it's clear.
Sir, we can write
Yes, sir.
theorem 6.2, sir.
What? Yes. Write down up to here, then I will say the statement.
The last statement we can write theorem 6.2.
No need. I will say that. Don't write.
Sir, once
No need,
again.
right? Okay. He mentioned using the theorem 6.2 only. That only we are going to write that. Yes. After completing this, write down the statement. If a line divides the other two sides, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. Therefore DE is parallel to BC. Therefore DE is parallel to BC. That is problem number 8. If completed, we'll go for problem number 9. If completed, we'll go for problem number 9. So I will say the same one example question. You try to solve it regarding question number 6. Change the order of the alphabet. You should take another letters and you should solve now and you should say to me. I will ask one particular person.
Which
They
one?
need to answer to my.
Which one, sir?
Huh?
Which question, sir?
6th question.
Okay, sir.
You are having a triangle in triangle now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Only changing
Yes.
alphabet.
Wait, I will change the question according to that question. You need to solve it. Right, children? I changed the question. Before he gave these two sides are parallel, he asked you to prove this side is parallel. Now what I did, these two sides are parallel, you need to prove this one. Concept is same, nothing is different. Do as it is. Process is same. First you did this one ratio, second you did this ratio. For third one you applied the converse of BPT. The same thing. Apply this one BPT, apply this one BPT. Then afterwards take down this one. Try for it, whether you are getting or not, we'll see. Same concept, nothing is different in that.
Sir, completed, sir.
Completed, huh? Right. What is the common factor you are getting? Common ratio.
Sir, or by
Very
R,
good.
sir.
Which two you equated?
OQ by QB is equal to OP by P.
Right. Correct. Same. The first case you need to apply BPT theorem. Second case you need to apply converse of BPT. Right. Triangle OAC and OPR. That is equals to OP by PA is equals to OR by RC. Come to this triangle. OQ by BQ is equals to OR by RC. Since these two are equal, you need to equate these two. OP by AP is equals to OQ by DQ. OP by AP is equals to OQ by DQ. So from converse of BPD, if the line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Therefore, PQ is parallel to AB. Just pay attention to the problem. Hope most of them completed the problem, I think.
Sir, completed.
Yes, sir, computer. Sir.
Hope you got the same thing. And don't forget to write a statement. Connective statements are important because the problem is little bit small. But there is a connection between one statement to another statement. So don't forget to write that one. Whether we are doing the problem correctly, everything is correct. But what is the relation between the first statement and second statement to connect? So and so reason is that. How you say those two are parallel? Yes, by using converse of BPT. Yes, these statements don't forget to write, please. Yes, check down the next question, the 9th question. What is the question? A, B, C, D is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. I need to prove that OA by OB is equals to OC by OD. So to do that one, let us draw the diagonals. Let us draw the diagonals.
Point is O.
Huh?
The diagonal
Yes,
point is
sir.
O.
The diagonal point is O. The diagonal point is O. Write down that. Solution. Construction. Write down. Draw a line parallel to AB through O to side AD at E. Without that construction, we cannot prove the problem because we don't have any parallel. Just we are going to do that. Then afterwards, draw these two figures. Can you see the images properly, or shall I draw once again?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Yes. Now, children, I want to ask one thing. in these two triangles, what is the common side you are saying?
Sir,
ED.
AD. Very good. In the first triangle, what is the diagonal here?
sir,
BD.
BD.
Huh?
He was
Diagonal,
Sir,
diagonal.
BD.
BD, sir.
In the second one, what is the diagonal?
AC,
Second triangle, what is the diagonal?
AC.
AC.
Means we are taking the two diagonals into the concept. So, because why I am taking two diagonals into concept? Because the two diagonals are intersecting at the point O. I need to use that one. That's the reason I am taking the two diagonals. Yes. I hope you will say the BPT theorem. Solution. Yes. Now say BPT for OE is parallel to AB from BPT. Now say the ratio.
D by EA is equal to DO by OB.
E by ED is equals
Equals
to
to
OB by
BD by OD.
OB
OB
by
by
OD.
OD.
Now OE is parallel to CD. Now say the statement.
Sir, AE by
Now BPT.
ED by AE by ED is equals to
ED.
AO by OC.
OC.
AO by OC. Fine.
AD.
Now say children, what is the common side here? Common thing.
ED.
Sir,
Huh?
AE by
AE
ED.
by AD.
Yes. AE by ED. Now what can I equate now?
OB by OD is equals to OA by OC.
Now see the answer. OA by OB is there, OC by OD is there. Just to do cross multiplication. OA make OB to this side. OC to this side. Explain one more concept also. Do cross multiplication. OB into OC is equals to OA into OD. Yes. Now, see for OA, what is the denominator? OB. For OC, what is the denominator? OD. What the terms will be cancelled?
Sir,
Okay.
A into OD by OB into
OD. Denominator is common. OB into OD. Denominator is common. OA. This is OD.
Sir, OB into OD is equals to OA into OD by OB into AD.
OD. Both side denominator OD only. OD into OB. OD into OB. Shall I write again?
OD into OD into OD.